and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video I'm doing another review for you guys and I'm super excited because I already reviewed one of this company's packages and I was really impressed by the quality and by the price of that kit. So I'm really excited to see what this package will bring me as a backdrop. So the name of the company is Qutechat. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, here's the name of that company so you guys can read it and see it yourself. Here's the package that I got in the mail. It looks really cute and I love that everything is individually packed and it's looking really cute. So what does this package over here includes in itself? It's a boy banner. So this kit is for a baby shower for a boy. So that's why it's a boy banner. The banner measures 9.8 feet across, string for hanging, gold foil font, and cardstock paper letters. I love cardstock. Cardstock can last you for a while and it's not flimsy and it will stay with you for quite a while. So I'm really excited. They have 9 tissue fans in large, medium, and small, 2 honeycombs 10 inches in diameter, and they have 6 blue tassels with a gold string for hanging. And I'm super excited to unpack this, make a backdrop out of this. I love the price for this package as well. You guys, Qutechat was so nice to us. They are willing to give you a 20% promo code for this package over here. I am so grateful. Thank you, Qutechat. I will give you all the information that you would need for this package and for the promo code at the end of this video. Let's go.
All right, so let's unpack this. I like the idea that everything is individually packed in these baggies. Here are the things that we have, and I like that they have instruction how you can make your tassels. So far so good. Nothing is teared or nothing is damaged. Really good tassels. Does have a string and strings to tie your tassels. All right, let's move on. I'm starting with a honeycomb and unfold. It looks beautiful. Very nice, very nicely made. I like it a lot. So what I see here is the 3 shiny things over here. So let's see if that's the tape. It is the tape. So you take off the top portion over here. All right, and when you're ready to make your honeycomb, you just unfold your honeycomb and press it together. Okay, it's very sticky and it holds the honeycomb intact. Really cute. Okay, let's move on to our second one. Let's move on to our fans over here. They have 3 sizes, large, medium, and small. Let's open up the larger fan over here. They have a string and cardstock on opposite sides. They have holes to secure your fan so it wouldn't fold again. So all you do is you take these strings apart. It's a double string. You unfold your fan over here. Take one of the strings and put through the opposite cardstock hole over here. Tie a knot or a bow, it doesn't matter. And now you are ready to decorate with these guys. Let's open up one more in small size. And you do exactly the same what you did with your large. All right, let's move to our tassels. Let's open them up. Okay, so 6 tassels and the gold string with the things, with the wire strings to tie your tassels. You take one set, lay it flat, so open your tassel in half. Just like that, and start folding your paper in sections. Just roll it in just like this. Then you pinch this paper, this tassel, between your fingers and start twisting. Careful not to rip. Keep on twisting till the very end. Just like that. And this opposite side as well. Now fix on this tissue paper, so to make sure this tassel lays really nicely and neatly. And then when you have this twist going on, you fold your tassel in half, leaving this little hole over here for that string to hang the tassel on. And then take your gold wired string and twist it tightly around the tassel. Voila, here you have your tassel. Really cute, very simple to do. Let's finish up with all of the tassels.
Alright, so my stuff is ready. I'm pre-made everything. Now it's time to put this on our backdrop. I'm starting with these guys over here. I want to really focus them right in the middle over here, and then place the banner underneath and tassels a little bit lower. I am super excited. I will put everything on a pin with the pearl on top using these strings over here. Let's go. Alright, let's see how this banner will look. These letters are already stranded on the string. I like it a lot. Look at this. Quality of these letters are very nice. Love it. Let's put this on. Really cute. I love it. Let's hang our tassels. Alright, we're almost done with this backdrop. Now the only thing we have left are these two honeycomb balls. I will play around with them. I'm not sure where I want to place them. Probably somewhere over here. And I'm putting them on my pins with pearls on top. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my review on this baby shower kit. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the quality of the set. I like how many things you get for the price that you pay. I think it's very affordable. I like how it looks, and it was very easy to set up, and you don't have to be the craftiest person to make this backdrop. About the promo code that Qutechat gave us for this set. They are giving us 20% off at checkout with that promo code. You guys, this promo code is good for 5 days. 5 days, and that code will be not available anymore. If you like what you see, go ahead and grab it. I will leave that promo code in the description down below so you can use that promo code and save some money. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed reviews, lately reviews on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. If you like this video, if it was helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.